The Autoflow function allows you to automate tasks that you may carry out frequently in OnePageCRM. In addition to eliminating the need for repetitive admin work, this also allows your whole team to remain consistent and in line with the company's sales process. Autoflow involves a trigger and an operation. Let's say anytime a new deal has been set up with the contact, you want to reach out to them with the call request. You could set this trigger to be if a new deal is created, then the operation is to send an email. In this case, you can select any of your saved email templates to be sent. I'll give this Autoflow process an appropriate name, ensure it's activated, and save it. Now each and every time I create a new deal, I'll be prompted to confirm any Autoflow operations that are set. I can also choose to skip any operations with a simple click. I can then preview the email before hitting confirm. Autoflow works its magic in the background, and an email is automatically sent to the client. Another example that could be useful is where a deal stage triggers a change in contact status. Like say if a pending deal is updated to 1, the associated contact is automatically updated to a customer. You can add multiple triggers or operations to an Autoflow. Let's say in addition to changing their status, I also want to remind myself or a colleague to prepare a contract anytime that we gain a new client. So now anytime a deal is updated to 1, I'll get a reminder of what I need to do next and to automatically update their status. How much automation you'd like to set up in your sales process is up to you. And remember, OnePageCRM will never make any changes without your confirmation.